Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Webull, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase cryptocurrency through this commission-free trading platform. Step 1. Download the Webull app from your device's app store or visit the Webull website to create an account. Enter your email or phone number and create a secure password to begin the registration process. Step 2. Complete the account application by providing personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, employment status, and financial information required for regulatory compliance. Step 3. Verify your identity by submitting photos of your government-issued ID and completing any additional verification steps required by Webull. This process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Step 4. Fund your account by linking your bank account and initiating a deposit through ACH transfer, which is free but takes several business days, or through instant deposit if eligible for faster access to funds. Step 5. Navigate to the crypto section of the Webull app by tapping the menu and selecting cryptocurrency trading. Ensure you've enabled crypto trading in your account settings if it's not already activated. Step 6. Search for Bitcoin using its ticker symbol, BTC, and tap on it to view its current price, price history, and trading options. Review the cryptocurrency's performance before making your purchase decision. Step 7. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest in Bitcoin. Webull allows you to buy fractional amounts, so you can start with any amount you're comfortable with, even as little as $1. Step 8. Review your order details, including the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive and any applicable fees. Confirm your purchase by tapping the Buy button, and your Bitcoin will appear in your Webull crypto account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.